Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the beautiful and must visit Arcobe City in Pasig City. Of course, with me, si Universe and Mamalay. If you haven't been in Arcobe City, tara, samahan nyo kami. In today's exploration, si Universe na naman ang pinakapasaya dahil may bagong place siyang mararating o mai-experience at ito ay madadagdag sa kanyang bucket list of experience places. As we entering the Arcovia City, we are greeted by the grand monument of Arco de Emperador, which is similar to Madrid's Arco de la Victoria and Paris Arc de Triomphe. This was erected by the great effort of Mega World, which showcases the potential and greatness of the Filipino people. Next, we're heading to the parking lot. Marami kaming nakitang mga restaurants and food stalls along our way. 5 o'clock in the afternoon pa lang pero halos puno na ang parking lot ng Arcovia City. Maybe because today is weekend, Saturday, kaya marami ang nagpupunta rito para mag-stroll or mag-relax. Happiness to the Maxi Universe. Kaya ito, habang kami naglalakad, pasayaw-sayaw pa siya. Malinis at maganda ang paligid. Ang mga walls ay may mga murals or paintings na nagiging attractive sa mga visitors tulad ng nasa likod ni Universe. Dahil maaga pa o maliwanag pa at wala pa ang mga lights, nag-decide muna kaming humanap ng kainan sapagkat tanghali pa nung umalis kami ng bahay. Dahil bago naman kami punta sa Arcovia City ay may isang errand kaming pinuntahan muna kaninang tanghali. Dahil noodles ang gusto ni Universe, dito na nga kami kumain. Ito nga, number 25 kami sa queuing. Ito na, piniprepare na ang aming order. May noodles, nilagyan ng toppings, at isinerve. Nakakatuwa na pagmasdan na sa harap mo piniprepare ang mismong pagkain mo. Mga ka-Universe, tara, kain po tayo. After our dinner, nag-walking ulit kami sa iba't ibang lugar ng Arcovia City. Alam nyo ba mga ka-Universe na ang Arcovia City ay situated in the 12.3 hectares land. This is a place where different architectural landscape and community blends. May part dito na dinidevelop nilang maging condominium or residential area, state-of-the-art building for offices and businesses. Meron ding retail or marketplace dito at syempre, place for hangouts. It is located along C5 Road, Pasig City. Meron din ditong bus terminal going to Bicol at saka bike lanes para sa mga mahilig mag-bike. Malapit sa bus terminal ay isang palaruan para sa mga kids. Gamit ang token, nilaro namin ni Universe ang game na ito. Kaya lang, hindi pa rin kami pinalad. Wala kaming nakuha kahit isang stuffed toy. Hindi man kami pinalad, pero ang mahalaga kami ay nakapagmanding at nakapaglaro. Ika nga sa ibang kasabihan, charge to experience. Ngayon, nandito naman kami sa go-kart game. Siyempre, for experience of Universe, pinasubukan namin siyang makapaglaro nito. Anyway, ang laro namang ito ay safe for kids kasi with low power and speed lang naman ito at nakadepende sa kids na gumagamit. Sinubukan ko rin maglaro ng go-kart na ito upang masabayan si Universe at maturuan siya kung paano talaga nilalaro ang go-kart. Ang isa pa, mas exciting maglaro kung may karera ka rito.
Alright! Go, Yune! Bilisan mo! Bilisan mo! Bilisan mo! Go, Yuni!
Siyempre, super enjoy, hindi lang po si Universe, pati po ako. Siyempre, hindi papayag si Mama Lay na hindi niya din matatry ang go-kart. Kaya maya-maya pagkatapos ko ng time ko, siya naman ang sumakay sa go-kart. So this time, si Universe at si Mama Lay naman ang nagkakarera sa go-kart. Mababaka sa kanilang mga mukha ang saya at ligaya na sila ay makapagbanding kahit sa isang simpleng laro na ito, ang go-kart. It is already 7 o'clock in the evening. Time to go back home mga ka-universe. To sum up our visit in Arcobel City mga ka-universe, this city is really a perfect place for recreation and bonding for family. By integration of playing places for kids, definitely they will enjoy every moment of their stay in Arcobia City. Structures are clean and it is a city one must visit and behold. During the evening, once lights are open, the surroundings beauty is very vibrant and fantastic to the eyes. That is for Universe Today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one! If there are other beautiful and scenic places around you to visit, given the time and opportunity, please let us know by commenting it down below so we can schedule a visit. Until our next vlog, thank you for watching mga ka-universe.